Hello guys and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Deacon and I make videos like this one. If you're a returning subscriber, hi my darling, you're my OG and you know I love and appreciate you guys so much. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed to the channel and make sure that your notification bell is turned on so you're notified every single time that I post a video. So yeah, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my step-by-step skincare routine for morning and night. So if you're a beginner in skincare or you're just confused as to how to layer your products, if you're skin treating or anything, then definitely use this video as a guide for that. And this would be my usual routine and I made it detailed enough so everyone can understand. And yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it. So first is the morning routine, and for my morning routine, you guys hear me out first. I know you guys might not agree with this, or a lot of people might not agree with this, but I do wake my face up with black soap. Now you can use what works for you, any gentle cleanser or whatever, but this is what I love for my face in the morning, and it does so well for my skin. So, and I always say that skincare is not a one size fit all. So if you're not in tune with black soap or you don't agree with black soap, then that's okay, but I do agree with it. So yeah, and yeah, this one is not a harsh one, it's a gentle enough one. So I just take a little from my paste and I scrub my face with it for a little while, or I just massage that into my face for like some seconds, and then I rinse off with cold water. Then I dab my face, and now I'm going to go in with my toner, and I'm using this one from Cuddly and it's the Aveeno Clean toner. I'm just going to put that in a cotton pad and go over my face gently with it. And now I am gently going over my face. I'm not swiping too hard, but I'm making sure to take the remaining gunk off my skin with the pad, and as you can see, some yucky stuff. And next I'm going to be going in with my azelaic acid, and yeah, this is azelaic acid cream, and I do have a detailed post on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, definitely check that out. This is a good treatment for your skin and can be used for morning and night time. So I'm just going to take a little out of the tube. So this is a 20% one I got from the pharmacy, but you can definitely get some over-the-counter one from stores that have like lesser percentage. And yeah, I did not use a lot, I just used very little, but I just spreaded it across my face, and that will serve as my treatment. If you do not have anything you're worrying about on your skin, then you can skip the azelaic acid. I'm using it to treat texture at the moment. So now I'm going to go in with my face cream, and this is my face treatment cream from Organics, and I'm just going to put that over my face because for the daytime I do like to use my face treatment cream to just balance things up for my skin and just continue the skin treatment. And next I am going to go in with my regular moisturizer, and this one has sunscreen and is the CeraVe one, and it is the hydrating cream moisturizer with SPF 30. But I would normally have trust issues, so I don't really rely on the sunscreen in moisturizers if it's not up to 50, and that's my own take. But yeah, after that, if I'm going out, I'm definitely going to put some sunscreen on, and the one that I'll definitely use during the day is the La Roche-Posay one, and this one is the tinted one. It gives you a little bit of a coverage on your face, or this other one from Bioderma, and yeah, so depending on what I'm going for, if I need a bit of coverage, I'll use the La Roche-Posay one. But for today I'm just home, so I'm going to use the Bioderma one. Sunscreens are really important during the day, and I like this one because it doesn't leave any white cast on my face. Now this is what seals all the goodies that you've put on your skin together, and gives it a better chance at working on your skin. So that's it for my morning routine. Now let's get over to the night routine. So now for my night routine, of course I'll be going in with a cleanser of some sort, but before then, if I had worn makeup during the day or sunscreen, I am definitely going to go in with my oil cleanser first. I double cleanse in the evening. So first I'm going to go in with this oil cleanser, and it's also from Caudalie from the Aveeno Clean line. What the oil cleanser does is that it breaks down the gunk on your skin or anything that was applied, makeup or all of that. It just breaks it down and makes it easier to clean. So I don't use makeup wipes or micellar water at this point. I like to break things down with oil, and now I'm currently looking for cleansing balms to try, but for now I've been using this for 2 years now, and I love it as much. So yeah, I'm just gonna rinse that off before going in with my cleanser. So this is the double cleanse method, so I'm double checking to make sure that my face is thoroughly clean. So now I'm going to go in with my La Roche-Posay cleanser. This is a gentle cleanser that I love so much. I also have a post about this on my Instagram. So yeah, you guys please follow me on Instagram. I do post like some product recommendations there as well, so you might want to check that out. So now I am washing my face, and once I am done massaging it properly into my face, I'm going to rinse my face and then dab my face dry, not exactly dry, damp. And then I'm going to go in with my toner again, and I really just love a gentle toner. I'm not so particular about toners, but I love when they are gentle and I don't feel like this tight sensation on my skin. So always look out for something like that. I feel like no matter what skin type, it works. So I'm going in with my face treatment cream as well. Now you might wonder why I'm not using serums and any of that. This is because this is like a routine for beginners, and serums are like an extra step for the but you really can do without them if you're treating properly. So yeah, I'm going in with my face treatment cream first, and I do this because the face treatment cream from Organics is a very light cream, so I use that first. Then I'm going to go in with a mist of some sort, and here I'm using my Caudalie grape water mist, and I went a little too ham and I applied too much, but it's okay. And after that, I applied the mist because I wanted to go in with hyaluronic acid serum, and this one is the one from La Roche-Posay. And what this does is that it plumps your skin and gives it a very youthful boost and glow. I love hyaluronic acid so much. Just invest in a good hyaluronic acid and you will get what I'm talking about. So what hyaluronic acid does is that it helps in dragging moisture from the atmosphere to your skin. So once this is applied, it's constantly sourcing for moisture for your skin. So that is why we put a mist or we spray our face with water before we use it, so that it can have what to drag this moisture from, or else it's gonna struggle to get the moisture and it's gonna end up drying out your skin if you do not provide it with the water content to work with. Now for my treatment, I'm going to go in with my Kiehl's facial cream, but now this is not the ordinary Kiehl's facial cream, it's the one mixed with tretinoin. Now I like to use this at night or every other night, not every night, every other night, because I'm currently treating texture like I told you guys. So yeah, I would go in with that. I made a video on how to mix your regular face cream to make it work better for your skin, and this is it. So now I'm just going to take a little pea-sized amount and just apply it all over the four corners of my face, but avoiding my eye contour area, because now this is tretinoin and you need to be careful how you use it. Now I don't use this every day. Tretinoin is a very strong and powerful skin treatment that you don't want to play around with, so you have to stay gentle. You don't use this every day just so you don't get a reaction that you might not want, but it is a very lovely treatment for the skin. And that will be the last step for my skincare routine, and then I'm spreading that to my neck. So yeah, please subscribe to my channel if you're not, and thumbs up this video to let YouTube know that you like my content. And that'll be it for today, and I will see you guys in my next one. Mwah. Reminiscing on the time when we first met. I was tongue-tied, stupefied. What was it that I said? Probably something foolish that didn't make much sense, but you remembered a year later when I saw you next. When I told you
then I need to hold you. You said come right on over. I could not wait to show you I cherish all your lines.